Do you want to create HTML navbar without having any CSS or JavaScript knowledge, only using pure HTML? In this video, I will teach you how to create a navbar navbar with only pure HTML without no CSS and no JavaScript. If you are interested to learn this, please subscribe to the channel and comment in the comment section. And share your valuable comments in the comment section, and so that interested to learn how to create HTML navbar. So let's begin. At first, we will go to our file explorer and create a file which name will be navbar. Then I will open my file folder with VS Code. So with to open the file in VS Code, we have to shift right click and open with code. Our website will be open, VS Code will be open. Then we will create a file index.html, and we will give exclamation now to have the basic boilerplate of HTML, and our site name will be our navbar. Our HTML tutorial has not completed. I am just giving show you how we use a navbar in HTML in a website to make you motivated. To create a navbar, we have to use navtag, and let's open our file browser. At the right, here will be our browser, and the left here will be our code editor. We can code here and see our output here. So let's create a navbar. At first, we will have to give a nav tag. As usual, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. In symmetric HTML, you will learn, and there are many tags for for HTML which are more SEO friendly, which will help your website to make it a response for more SEO friendly. Suppose in header, you have to use header tag. In nav, to create navbar, you have to use nav tag. To create a section, you have to use section tag, and so on. So let's nav, and inside that you have to use we have to use UL. UL stands for unordered list, and OL stands for ordered list. You will learn this in the list video, so don't worry, just carry on the video. And inside UL we have to use a li tag, li. Inside li we have to use a as usual. This is the opening tag and this is the close. Li is the block element, and a is a inline block element. And in the element in the block video, you will learn about block, inline block, and block element, and inline block or full block. So we will give nav item home. As usual, you can see that home, and you will give a link. To give link, we have to use href attribute, and we will give a slash. See, our color has changed, it turned into blue color. And as usual, we will about service contact. As you can see, here are our menu item, and see, it is vertically aligned. But if you see any website, professional website, you will see that it is horizontal. For example, let's get a shikdar.emb02.com. This is my another website I have created. So this is for a business. So by the way, as you can see, this is the navbar, and these are the elements. In our created side it is vertical, but here it is horizontal. Let's see, is my recording is open? Yes, it is recording. You can make it horizontal by to make it horizontal you have to use css, but this is not a video of css, this is a video of html. So don't worry about css. When after completing css html, you will able to learn css. So another thing, this is the logo. In most of the website there will be a logo, so to make a logo we have to use div. Our class will be logo. Don't worry about this, just carry on. Class id, we will learn it in the next videos, and I will give a h to our navbar. See, here is our logo. So we have created a logo, a navbar. If you want that I will style it, so please so say your comment in the comment section, and we have learned html cell, and we will, if I get enough responses I will style it. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, please share to your friends and family who are interested in web development, and please subscribe my tuna channel and like the video. Also if you are seeing this video in facebook, please share the videos and give a like. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.